Prediction. Good dog. Alright. Today's a good day. We have an install. Hopefully there's more installs to come. As you can see, it's nighttime. Today we're installing some bed lights. My Tacoma did not come with stock bed lights, so we're gonna install them. So it's gonna be a simple upgrade. Let's get to it. Alright, so the kit I got, it's nothing fancy. Got it from Amazon, roughly 30 bucks. Comes with wiring. And that's it. Alright, let's go get it installed. Look at that, look how dark that is. Can't see nothing back here. To my knowledge, all you need is a 10 millimeter. That's all it requires. Alright, so we'll take this one off and this one off. Oh, you guys are probably wondering, where's the little guy? Usually the little guy's out here doing this stuff with you. As you can see, it's nighttime. He's asleep. So I brought out the other little guy. This is my firstborn son, Dexter. Alright, so once you get these two bolts out, then just pull right out. Put that right there. So that's the wiring. Just gotta unplug that, push this in. There you go. And then we'll take one of our harnesses that the kit included. This in. Feed this through. Comes with a little mounting bracket. There you go. And then we'll fish it from the other side. This is where we lift up on our poverty panel. Fish out that wire that we installed. Take one of our lights. Do a little plug and play action. Bada bing, bada boom. That's it. We'll go see if it works. Works. Alright, and then just install the headlight or the tail light back on. Done. I'm gonna speed run through this side.
Yeah. Pop in, burn it like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wish for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Taking that touch, out of the mud. Rough only get picked up.
Or grand reveal.
That is a must.
Whoa. So bright. Ease of install. 10 out of 10. Definitely a functional upgrade. Alright, as far as the install goes, super easy. I was actually impressed that the plugs were good quality. Nice, good click to them. Like I said, it was 30 bucks. You could get anyone on Amazon. I'm pretty sure they all do the same thing. This was just a nice, quick install video because I haven't done one. And I love installing stuff on the truck. So hopefully there's more to come. Peace!